Okay, we will continue with remaining part of the lesson, page number 70, last paragraph. It is mentioned in the description that the book is about a mischievous 10-year-old Indian boy. And some parents may be concerned about the influence this will have on their already mischievous children's. But the book is as such that it encompasses the mischief of the kids in the view of the kid which is harmless and pure in his perspective. Also, amidst all the mischief and naughtiness, we actually find that Swami is a loving and a tender kid who is actually very sensitive. It is also a known fact that mischievous kids are the most sensitive and loving people of all. And R.K. Narayan does a great job conveying that to all of us. Now I will explain all the things. Now in the description it is mentioned that Swami is 10 years old Indian boy and Swami is very mischievous, naughty boy. And some parents may be concerned about the influence this will have on their already mischievous children. That is why some parents may be in confusion whether their kids should read the book or not, because the book is about very naughty boy, and if our kids read this book, what will happen? They will become more naughty. They will start playing more tricks on others. They will trouble us. Parents will think like this. It is obvious. It is obvious for any parents, but it is not the reality. Actually, all the things in the book included are in very pure form. We know that naughty boys, naughty girls are very sensitive. They are very emotional. They are very loving. Their nature is very caring, tender. Tender means fragile, caring. We should not think the boy or girl is very naughty. It means that he or she has no emotions. It doesn't mean that. Generally, naughty boys, mischievous girls are having more emotions, more sensitive than others. It encompasses means circles around, revolves. That it encompasses the mischief of the kids in the view of the kid which is harmless. Actually, Swami plays havoc, tricks, jokes on others, but those are pure. Those are played with not the intention of harm. Those are played just to get happiness. Actually, they don't know the outcome. They don't know the further things, result. That is why kids are behaving like Swami. And Swami is also behaving in a different way. Swami is very loving and a tender kid. He is very loving boy, tender boy, which is, we actually find that Swami is very loving and tender kid who is actually very sensitive. Swami is very sensitive. It is also a known fact that mischievous kids are the most sensitive. I was talking about previously. Naughty boys, naughty girls, mischievous kids are very sensitive. And R.K. Narayan does a great job conveying that to all of us. If some people are unaware about the fact that naughty kids are sensitive, then Narayan does a great job conveying that to all of us. Author R.K. Narayan conveyed all of us that naughty kids are very sensitive, very caring, loving, tender, emotional. Okay. Last page. We are on the last page, page number 71. 71. So, in conclusion, it can be said that this book is a good read for children of all ages who may just enjoy good read or who may want to improve their English skills. Parents should not think that the book is about the mischievous boy, and if our kids read this book, our kids will become more naughty, mischievous. Parents should not think like this. The book is very good. Author R.K. Narayan has followed many literary values, Indian culture, tradition. So, in conclusion, it can be said that this book is a good read for children of all ages. Anybody can read this book. I will suggest not only kids and teens, but elders and old people even also read or enjoy the book. Who may just enjoy good read or who may want to improve their English skills. Listen, if you want to improve your English skills, then you must read this book. It's very good as there is use of simple words, simple phrases, simple sentences. I suggest you must read before the exam. Then your writing will improve, your innovation, your creativity will improve. You will get a lot of tricks to develop sentences, to develop a write-up. We must develop our reading habit. Now the last part of the lesson about the author. In this part, information about author R.K. Narayan has been given. The author of Swami and Friends is India's one of the greatest authors of all time, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is one of the greatest authors of our country, India. R.K. Narayan is responsible for many of the outstanding literary works India has ever produced. R.K. Narayan wrote many books. Indian literature is influenced by, impacted by R.K. Narayan's writing. And this book in particular captures the essence of India. Essence means spirit. Captures the essence of India under British ruling and the mind and the life of a typical teenage kid. In this book, information about not only kids and his surrounding, but essence of India under British ruling has been given. And the life of typical teenage kid. Typical means special, particular, different. We may say critical even teenage kid. Other great works by Narayan include, now here the information about R.K. Narayan's writing has been given. Here are the names of books written by R.K. First book, Malgudi Days. What is Malgudi Days? Name of the book written by R.K. Narayan. The Guide, another book. The Painter of Science, another book. Many more literary works such as the Ramayana, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic. It is a single title. It is a single title from the Ramayana, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic. It is a single title. And the Mahabharata, a shortened modern prose version of the Indian epic. Epic means very old, great book. Go take a look at them if you are interested. Here, speaker suggests, even I suggest, advise you, you must read this book. If you read this book, you will get lot of tricks. You will get lot of interest. You will get happiness. You will improve your English writing. That is why I suggest you, you must read this book. The book is available on internet also. Type Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, you will get that book. There are some links. The book is available in the form of PDF also. But I will suggest you, instead of reading on mobile, you should take its hard copy. Then read it, because it will take some time, and reading a lot of information on mobile is not good, as it affects on our eyesight. Okay, take care, stay safe. Thank you.